Hi, welcome to WebZeno. In this video, I will share how you can add Google reviews on your website homepage or any page of your website. So if you're using WordPress website and you want to embed all the Google My Business profile reviews in your WordPress website with the simple steps, then you need to watch this video. Also, these are the authentic reviews and definitely it is very impactful for the local SEO of your website. So let's start the video and see how you can add Google reviews. So we are using WordPress, so we will use a plugin which embed all these Google reviews from your Google My Business profile to in your WordPress website. So we added these Google reviews in a very decent way in our client website. So you can also add Google reviews watching this video. So first you need to click on add plugin in your WordPress website, and you need to add this plugin widgets for Google reviews. So you need to search widget for Google reviews and you will see a lot of plugins, and you need to install this plugin by Trust Index. So you need to install and activate this plugin. So I already installed this plugin, so I need to update it. So after updating, I need to refresh it, and now you need to click on activate. So now you will see an option trustindex.io. You need to click on here. So I need to start from the scratch, so you can watch this video step by step. I need to disconnect this. Now after installing and activating the plugin, you will see this option connect, and you need to click on connect, and you will see this pop-up window. Now you need to paste your Google business profile name, location, place ID or Google Maps. So for exact location, you need to copy the Google map address. So what you need to do now, you need to go on map. First I need to go on my Google My Business profile, and you need to click on direction. After that, you need to copy this complete address. So now you need to put it in your pop-up. So now I'm pasting it, and you will see your business here, and you need to click on connect. You can also verify your business if it is your otherwise you need to search your business, and then you need to click on connect button. So now your business is connected successfully. Now you need to select the layout whichever you want. So I like this one, so I need to click on select. After that, you will select the background as well. So now you need to select the style as well. You can see different styles, like you can see here a light background. Now you can see here a light background with a Trust Index logo. Now you have also other styles, so you can copy whichever you want. So I will select this one. After that, now you have an option setup widget. So you have multiple option widget setting. You can verify it by Trust Index. If you want to show, you can simply select the style. If you want to hide, you can simply hide this logo as well. So you have other multiple options. You can check one by one and choose according to your need. So after that, you need to click on save and get code. You will get the short code. You need to copy this short code, and now you need to copy this short code and paste it where you want to show your Google reviews. For example, I want to show it here. Now you need to click on I will remove this widget so that I can tell you exactly. So you need to search short code, and you will see this widget in your Elementor. Even if you are using any other builder, you can simply search short code and you can paste it, paste your short code here. So after that, you will see you can see your Google reviews. So you need to click on publish, and after publishing the page, you can see the Google reviews in your website homepage. Also, if you want to add these Google reviews in your about section, products page or any services page, you can simply follow same steps to show the Google reviews in your any page of your website. So hopefully you will understand complete process, and now you can add Google reviews in your WordPress website. So if you need any help related to WordPress, local SEO or digital marketing, you can simply contact WebZeno team. Thank you so much.